and welcome to this lesson on data management for AIOps. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about data management for AIOps. We shall begin by understanding data collection and integration. Types of data, logs, metrics, events. Data sources. Data collection tools. In today's data-driven world, every interaction, whether scrolling on social media, shopping online, or using GPS, generates valuable data. The focus is on how businesses gather this data and integrate it into cohesive systems for analysis and action. Let's start with data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering information from various sources to analyze and use effectively. It is critical for businesses to understand customer behavior, optimize operations, and predict trends. Data can be structured, like names and sales figures in a database, or unstructured such as social media posts or videos. Common sources of data include customer interactions, IoT devices, social media platforms, transactional systems like billing software or banking apps, and third-party providers. Now that we understand how data is collected, let's move on to data integration. Data integration combines data from different sources into a unified view, solving the inefficiencies of fragmented tools and ensuring a clear understanding of operations. The process involves 3 steps. 1. Extracting data from various sources. 2. Transforming it for consistency. And 3. Loading it into centralized systems like data warehouses or lakes. Data integration can be done in various ways, like manually copying and pasting information into a spreadsheet, or with middleware tools like MuleSoft from Salesforce, Apache Unify, or Dell Boomi. It could also be done via APIs, which stands for Application Programming Interfaces, which allows systems to communicate with each other and exchange data in real time, or using storage systems like Data Warehouse and Data Lake, designed for structured and unstructured data. A real-world example illustrates how a restaurant chain collects data from surveys, sales figures, and social media, then integrates it into a single platform and analyzes it to improve customer satisfaction by addressing pain points like wait times. Despite its benefits, data collection and integration come with challenges like ensuring data quality and security. When executed effectively, these processes lead to better decision-making, increased efficiency, enhanced customer experiences, and cost savings. Together, data collection and integration form the backbone of smarter business operations and improved outcomes. Now, let's explore key data types essential for performance monitoring and troubleshooting. Let's start with the first data type, logs. Logs are detailed records of system activities, much like a journal that documents every action, change, or error. They are time-stamped, text-based, and provide in-depth information, making them invaluable for troubleshooting. For example, logs can help identify what caused a server crash, or track user actions like uploading files. Next, we have metrics. Metrics are numerical data that track system performance over time. They provide a high-level view of a system's health, tracking data like CPU usage, memory consumption, or the number of active users. Metrics are aggregated and time-based, allowing teams to monitor trends and address potential issues proactively, such as increasing server load during peak hours. Next on the list is events. Events highlight specific moments or changes in a system, serving as notifications that something significant has occurred. They are discrete, action-oriented, and often prioritized by severity. Examples include alerts for server failures or system notifications about completed processes. Events enable teams to respond quickly to critical issues, such as a security breach or service outage. Although managing large volumes of logs, metrics, and events can be challenging, centralized platforms like Splunk and Datadog, along with automation tools, make it easier to process and visualize this data. By leveraging these data types effectively, organizations can ensure systems run smoothly, resolve issues faster, and deliver excellent user experiences. Now, let's break down the main types of data sources and explore what they do. A data source is any system, device, or software that generates data. Let's look at this in depth. 1. Servers are foundational to IT operations, functioning as the backbone that delivers resources, services, or applications. They generate logs, like system crashes or user login attempts, and metrics, such as CPU usage and memory consumption, which help maintain performance and troubleshoot issues. 2. Network devices, including routers and firewalls, act as the highways of data, producing traffic logs, error reports, and bandwidth metrics to ensure smooth and secure data flow. 3. Applications, the software interfaces where users interact, generate user activity logs, performance metrics and error logs. Analyzing this data helps improve user experiences and resolve issues like frequent crashes. By combining these data streams, businesses can effectively monitor, optimize, and secure their operations, ensuring smooth functionality and robust defenses. In this section, let's highlight 3 widely used data collection tools. Logstash. This is a robust open-source tool for data gathering and processing. It is a crucial component of the Elastic Stack, also known as the ELK stack. It is designed to handle vast amounts of data by collecting, transforming, and sending it to a designated destination, such as Elasticsearch, for storage and analysis. Logstash is favored for its powerful filtering capabilities, supported by advanced plugins that enable extensive data transformation. Next, let's talk about FluentD, another powerful and flexible data collection tool. FluentD is an open-source tool that unifies the process of collecting, processing, and delivering data. Its main goal is to simplify data collection across different systems. FluentD uses a plugin-based architecture, which means it can easily adapt to different environments. The process involves 1. Input plugins, collecting data from sources like logs, metrics, or cloud services. 2. Filters, transforming the data, such as formatting or anonymizing sensitive information. 3. Output plugins, sending the processed data to destinations like databases, storage systems, or visualization tools. Additionally, it is highly cloud-friendly, working effectively with platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Finally, let's look at Telegraph. This is a lightweight and efficient data collection agent. Telegraph is a component of the TIC stack. It is particularly effective for monitoring real-time performance data and time series metrics. Key features of Telegraph includes 1. Plugin-based architecture. Telegraph supports 300+ input, processor, and output plugins for different data sources. 2. Lightweight and efficient. Telegraph is written in Go, making it fast and low on resource consumption. 3. Supports multiple data formats. It works with JSON, CSV, Graphite, InfluxDB line protocol, and more. 4. Flexible data processing. It can filter, aggregate, and transform metrics before sending them. 5. Cross-platform. It runs on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and Docker. Let's recap this tutorial. We explored the fundamentals of data management and AIOps. We looked at the critical processes involved in managing data. We also discussed the various data types available. And finally, the essential tools that power intelligent IT operations. By understanding how to collect, integrate, and analyze data, IT teams can create systems that proactively identify, troubleshoot, and resolve issues, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.